Hey to all of my gourmet cooks out there, welcome back to another video with Glameres Gems Gourmet Recipes. What's on the menu today is some creamy garlic butter mashed potatoes. This is one of my favorite recipes to make. It is a perfect comfort food for any occasion, and you can eat it with just about any meat. You know, if y'all have been kind of struggling to get it right, you know, like you love potatoes, but you just can't get it right, I'm your girl. I got you. Alright, so this is the amount of potatoes I'm using for this recipe. I'm making a bunch because my baby, she loves mashed potatoes, so I just want to have some baby food on the side for her. So this is equivalent to 5 medium-sized potatoes, so y'all don't want to see me peeling these, so I'll be back once it's done. Alright. Really quickly, I wanted to let y'all know you want to cut your potatoes as small as you can because it's going to cook faster. They do not have to be even in size because they're going to be smashed. But the smaller you cut the potato, the quicker it'll cook. So we're going to go ahead and get started. What you're going to go ahead and do is put some cold water in a pot, and you're going to go ahead and flavor your water. I'm going to flavor my water using the Better Than Bouillon, but you can use salt however you choose. This is going to make my potatoes cook in kind of like a chicken stock. So I'm going to go ahead and add in a teaspoon of fat in my water. It's very important to boil your potatoes in cold water because it just kind of helps it cook evenly versus it being hot and boiling. So now we're going to go ahead, you've already drained your water out of here, and we're going to go ahead and add the potatoes to the cold water. I'm going to turn my stove on between 5 and 6, bring my water to a boil. Alright y'all, so I've been watching TV, lost track of time, but you want to just pretty much boil your potatoes until they are fork tender. So they've been sitting for about 25 minutes. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in some room temperature butter, and I'm just going to do a half a stick of butter. And I'm going to also add in a half a teaspoon of minced garlic, just like that. Once you have your minced garlic and your butter in, you're going to go ahead and mix this around. Just like that. So now you want to go ahead and add in your carnation milk. And I'm going to mix that around as well. It looks very soupy right now, but I promise it's going to thicken up. I'm going to add in my seasonings, black pepper, sea salt. Be very easy with the sea salt. You don't want it to be extremely salty. Or garlic and onion powder. You want your cream cheese to be room temperature, but I'm going to go ahead and add in just like 1/4 of the cream cheese, not a lot. So now would be a great time to taste it to see if you need to adjust your seasoning. Okay, so once you've actually tasted your mashed potatoes and you're fine with the taste of it, now what we're going to go ahead and do is take our grated Parmesan cheese, and we're going to sprinkle that in there just like that. And I'll have all of the measurements in my description box below. And I'm also going to take a few teaspoons of sugar. What the sugar does, it actually balances out all of the acidic taste from the seasonings that we've put in. So you shouldn't taste the sugar at all, but it's going to give the mashed potatoes a nice rich taste. So once I have this mixed in, I'm going to go ahead and taste it again just to make sure you don't have to readjust any seasonings or anything like that. This is the consistency that you want. Finally, we're going to go ahead and garnish with parsley and chives. It's just going to give it a nice gourmet look to it. And the chives actually gives it a really nice flavor. If you're liking this video, definitely leave some comments down below letting me know if you're going to recreate this recipe. Also, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I actually post videos on my channel weekly, so you definitely will be up to date with all of the new videos that I post. Once you have your chives and your parsley in there, go ahead and mix everything in, just like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and plate this, and I'll be back in just a moment. Alrighty guys, so this is my creamy garlic mashed potato, and I hope that you all have enjoyed this recipe. Definitely try it when you get some time. Let me know how it turns out for you. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye.